The 2025 BMW X5M is a high-performance luxury SUV that combines power, advanced technology, and refined design. Under the hood, it features a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. This setup ensures an exhilarating driving experience with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The aggressive exterior design includes a large kidney grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body that enhances both performance and aesthetics. The sculpted lines and wide stance give it a bold presence on the road, while the quad exhaust tips and rear diffuser add a sporty touch. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and technology, featuring high-quality materials such as premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and ambient lighting. The 2025 X5M comes with BM's latest iDrive infotainment system, displayed on a large curved touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with the digital instrument cluster. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium Harman Kardon sound system for an immersive audio experience. The SUV also includes a head-up display, customizable digital gauges, and voice-controlled functions for added convenience. Comfort is a priority with multi-contour heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a spacious rear cabin that offers plenty of legroom and cargo space. The advanced driver assistance features make every journey safer and more convenient, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The X5M also includes BMW's parking assist system, which helps maneuver in tight spaces effortlessly. Performance-wise, the Adaptive M suspension ensures a smooth ride while maintaining sharp handling characteristics. The braking system is equally impressive, providing confident stopping power even at high speeds. The selectable drive modes allow drivers to tailor the driving dynamics according to their preferences, ranging from Comfort to Sport Plus for an adrenaline-pumping ride. Fuel efficiency remains reasonable for a high-performance SUV, thanks to BMW's efficient engineering and lightweight construction. The 2025 BMW X5M competes with models like the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, offering a compelling mix of luxury and performance. With its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating driving dynamics, it stands out as a top choice in the high-performance SUV segment. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, make sure to subscribe to Car Updater for more in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the hottest vehicles in the market.